So here's how to create website with AI tools. First of all, you need to head over to the wix.com website. And as you can see, I'm already here. So on the home page, you will get to see all of these options on the top. Let's click on pricing to check out their plans. So on this page, you'll be able to view all the available plans that they offer. So go through each one and check whichever one that you like. After that, if you go over to the top right corner, you will get to see options to get started or log in. I will click on login, but if you don't have an account, click on get started. On this page, I will select continue with Google. You can choose between any of these options. Once done, just wait to get logged in to your account. Sometimes it may take a couple of seconds to load up, so give it some time. So once you're logged in to your account, you may land on this page. On the top here, you will see options like all sites, explore, hire a professional, and help. For now, let's click on create a new site on the top right. After that, you will get to see two options, start a chat or set up without chat. Let's click on start chat. And as you can see, we now have a chat interface. On the text input field on the bottom, you need to describe all about your website. For example, clothing store. And as you can see, it's now thinking for a response. This way, you'll be required to converse with the AI for more detailed information, such as what is the name of your clothing store. So after that, you will need to put in your store name in the chat box. And I will put in this name as an example. After that, it will start thinking again. Wait for its next question. So as you can see, the next question is, what type of clothing do you offer? So go ahead and answer this question as well. For example, luxury. Now, you will get to see a site profile on the right side. If you want to add further details for anything, just click on it. And as you can see, we got one more question, which says, what are some additional goals you have for your site? For example, expanding your customer base, showcasing new collections, or improving online sales. So, go ahead and put in this description as well. Once done, click on End Chat and continue on the top right. And as you can see, it is now preparing your website. Give it some time to get done. This usually takes only a couple of seconds, which may depend on the type of website and your internet connection. And once it's done, you will get to see a dashboard like this. On the left here, you will see all of these options. And on the main screen, you will see options to set up your business. For now, let's click on Design Site on the top right. On the next page from these options, click on Generate Design under Generate a Design with AI. You will then be taken to the Wix website editor page. Give it some time to load up. And as you can see, we're now in the editor with AI doing its work on the left panel. It will keep briefing you on the left side about what's being done for your website. And on the right, you will get to see the AI icon, which means it's working. So check through the information being shown on the left. And as you can see, it's now giving us a site brief. This will tell you all about the website, including the name, theme, fonts, and more. After that, it will create a custom website just for you. And as you can see, it's now ready. You can scroll through the page and check it out. And as you can see, it looks really good. From the left, you can click on any section like Site Profile. Here, you can change the site name if you want. So let's edit the name. After that, if you click on the logo section, you'll be able to choose a logo from your device. And as you can see, the image is now being uploaded. After that, you can change other parts as well, like site type from these options. Then on the site description section, you can edit the description as well. Just go through the information and make any necessary changes. On the contact info page, this will usually be some default information. Just make sure to go through them and put in the correct information. As you can see, these are just placeholders. You will need to put in and change all of these sections. You can also click on Add Social Link to add more sections. So once done, just click on Apply Changes on the bottom. And as you can see, it started to work once again. It will make all the necessary changes that you've just mentioned onto your web page. Keep in mind that when you make any changes, it will take a little while to load up. This way, you can go through each section on the left, such as theme. So here, we will get the option to customize the theme further. Right now, it's giving us a description about the current theme. All you need to do is type in the new changes that you want, or click on the options on the bottom, such as Generate New Theme. It's now currently working to make a completely new theme. If you just want to make changes to the existing one, just describe the changes you want. And since I've chose Generate New Theme, it's now describing the new theme it's working on. And once done, you'll be able to view it on the right. And this one looks much more sleeker. Just scroll through the page and check it out. This way, you can make any changes that you want. Let's click on Back to Brief and check out the layout option. It's now describing the current layout. You can now use the chat box on the bottom to describe your new changes to the layout. You can also choose from the options below, such as Generate New Layout or Shuffle this layout. For now, I will click on Generate New Layout. And as you can see, it started working on the layout right away. Once it's ready, it will be visible on the right side. Scroll through and check out your new layout. As you can see, it looks completely different than the previous one. So let's click on Back to Brief once again. You can see more options like Regenerate Design or Tweak Design over here. If you're satisfied, just click on Continue with this design on the bottom. Now, on the right side, you will get to see the option to set up your domain, or just click on Continue to the editor. And as you can see, we're now back in the editor. This time, you'll be able to select each part of the website and make any of your desired changes. If you click on the plus icon on the top, you will get to see all the elements, and also you have the Add Section option. From here, you can add new sections to your website. Just choose an option and it will be added to your website just like this. After that, you have Pages and Menu. You can go through these options to add more pages or customize existing ones. Then, we have Site Design. From here, you can further customize your site design, such as Color Theme. If you go over to the Color Theme option, you can start making your desired changes according to your preference. This way, you can fully customize a design that was initially made by AI. So go through this section as well and make your desired customizations. If we go over to the Site Design option again, we will get to see options to customize other elements as well, such as Text Theme. Here, you can change the fonts for different sections, such as Heading Font. And as you can see, all the heading fonts has changed instantly. Then, if you select a paragraph font, all the body text of your website will be changed. After that, if you go back, we have the Page Background option. From here, you can go through these options and select one according to your preference. Or you can also upload your own background. If we select Apply to Other Pages on the bottom, you will be able to choose whichever page that you want from these options. If you select All Pages, it will be applied to all the pages on your website. So this way, just go through all the options and customize your website further. Once done, click on Preview on the top right. After that, you will get a preview of what your website will look like to others. And once you're satisfied, just click on Publish on the top right corner. After that, your website will now be live. And that's it. That is exactly how to create website with AI tools.